Hi, today we're going to look at the module called Pages. A page module is a container for other Stackend modules. So let's look how that works. Start by logging into your Shopify environment and then click on Stackend. If you can't find Stackend and has installed it, look on the sales channel. You can see which sales channel you've installed. Then you click Go to Stackend, and it will take you to your Stackend environment. On the left side over here, you will have the modules. So in this case, we want to use the Page Module. So let's create new and give it a name. You can name it anything. A new Shopify page. And now you can start adding content to it. So let's start by adding a code bin that I already created. And then I want to add something from my Shopify store. So let's click on Shop. Here you can select one product, a product listing, collection of products. I want to use a product listing. You can filter by search or product types. Product types are the types from Shopify. I want to use coolers. You can filter on tags. That means that if you have a tag on your product called maybe hard cooler and soft cooler, you could filter there so you can have a listing that limits it to one segment. You can also sort by best selling, price, name, relevance, etc. I'm going with best selling, and then you can filter how many products, and you can choose what type of layout you want. So list is the typical grid layout, but I want to use a slideshow. That sounds cool. And you can continue to add as many modules you want into this, but for now we're going to be okay with this. Click Save, and then you'll want to find the ID for this page. So you click Launch. And because you can use these modules anywhere, actually, you can use them in your blog and so on. But today we're going to use it in Shopify. So we just need this ID, number 32. So if we remember number 32 and we go back to your Shopify store, you click Online Store, and then you click Customize. Will take you to your editor, and we want to have this at the top of the page. So let's scroll down and create a section. In this case, we want to have a Stackend page. We give it the page ID number 32. We click Save. And then we want to drag this all the way to the top because we want to have it at the very top here. Like that. So now you can see I have a code bin over here. Let's look at that. So that's some pre-rendered HTML with CSS. So that's the code bin module. And then I added the listing, the product listing here with a slideshow, which look like this. So if I click Save now, and I go to the first page, and I do a refresh, the module will appear on your first page. And you have your slideshow, and what we think is actually kind of better than the typical way of looking at product is that if you click on a Stackend product or a product listed by Stackend, it will expand the slide out for the product. And the reason why we do this is that when we do live shopping modules and so on, you don't want to get away from the product while you're looking at the live shopping. But we also think that it's kind of neat when you have them in your regular store actually. So that's Pages.